How cute are they? You can't deny it. So spooky, so cute. Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies, and then we're also going to use the Pillsbury ready to bake ghost cookies. Now these are usually sold out, but they also have the pumpkin ones that would be really cute as well. Rolling pin, and we're just gonna open up the chocolate chip cookie. This is supposed to make 12 big chocolate chip cookies, but we're not gonna use it in that way. We are going to flatten the chocolate chip cookies and then roll them out so that they can be the base for the sugar cookies. So here we are. We've got the chocolate chip, boom. We're gonna just pop it right on the parchment paper. And we're going to bring this part over. I probably cut a little too much parchment paper. I'm gonna cover it like that. Just use a bottle of olive oil or anything that will help you to roll. You wanna go nice and slow. And just work this out as much as you can. This is just cookie dough. So you can also make your own cookie dough if you want. But store-bought is just fine. This is a great hack to do for the kids if they love chocolate chip, but they also like the Pillsbury ghost cookies. They're so cute. So now we are just going to stand these guys up. This parchment and basically roll it over into a log. So we're going to just take that over. We are going to let this chill and sit in the freezer and come back to it in about an hour. So I'm just slicing into maybe like 1/2 inch rounds here of the cookies. I'm gonna pop them on the parchment paper. These are gonna go in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until they look cooked enough to us. How cute are these Halloween cookies? They are the perfect combination of chocolate chip and sugar. Super easy to make and so cute for the family and the kids, of course. So have some fun and pick these 2 cookies up on your next Target run or Walmart run and enjoy. I mean, how cute are they? You can't deny it. So spooky, so cute. Let's give it a taste. Got my little sample over here, y'all. That'll do. Until next time.